Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. I remember last time we created a project for building a PDF reader application. So in this tutorial, which is part 2, we are going to continue. So I hope maybe you succeeded to learn and test the application on your device. But if you didn't succeed to do that, so we are going to this video we're going to do together. We're going to test the application on a real device and see how it appears. So let's just actually I have my phone here, so I'm using this screen copy application, which actually it helps me to mirror to show my device in my Android phone in my PC. So I'm using this screen copy software, which is used to mirror my Android phone. So if you just go to the Google and search for screen copy, I think it will appear, and you just download it, and you're good to go. So so this is screen copy. Yep. So I'm going to learn my application and see how it appears on my Android phone. If you don't know how to maybe install this screen copy, you can just maybe write an you can just write a comment down this video, and maybe I can just do a tutorial, or I can help you in one or another. So so I'm going to learn my application and then see how it appears on my. Okay, let's go. So this is application, just to show you again, because maybe okay. So I'm going to learn it again, because the screen was away. So now this is running. So so this is our PDF reader app. So guys, so we have succeeded to launch install our application into our device. So this is a real device. So if you have maybe if you have an emulator, you can just try it and see how it appears. But I hope it will look fine. You see. So in this video, we are going to create our splash screen, because this, if you remember on the first video when I was demoing when I was showing a demo of the application that we are going to build in this video, the first screen that was appearing was a splash screen. So we are going to build a splash screen in this tutorial. So let's begin then. Okay, so I'm going to create the new activity. So you just click here and then say new, and then go to activity. So we're going to create an empty activity. So this one here. So we're going to call it splash screen. Splash screen activity. You see, splash screen activity. So splash screen activity. So it will create, by default it will create also a layout. So we're going to use Java, not Kotlin. So then let's say finish. So this is our splash screen activity. So I don't know. So this is our splash screen activity. Okay, so then so we need to design it somehow. So we're going to, so this, if I have to show you, go to layout, so you can see the screen save. So here, this is a XML file which is created by default when we created the splash screen activity. So what I'll do here, I'll just leave it like this, but I'm going to create another file here, new file, and then go to drawable resource. So we are going to create a drawable resource file. You see, we're going to create a drawable resource file. You see, which would be let's create a rarest, I think. So root element should be rarest. So it should be rarest. And then it should be in folder called drawable. So the name should be maybe let's call it splash bg. You see, so you say okay, so this one will be created, right? So yeah, this one will be created. So in here what we will do, okay, so we are going to, after that, let's because we're going to use this paint. So that, if you remember, in the last video we had two images, which let me show you those images here. If I'm not mistaken, this is the app. This is the app that I showed you last time. So if you go to drawable, it's drawable 24, I think. Yeah, this one. You see, you remember we had this text here. So we had this one and this one. You see, these are the one we had in that. Yeah. So these are the images. These are just PNG images, so which I created using Paint. So here you can choose size, maybe I don't know, maybe 50-50, just to show you an example. Pixels, maybe. Okay. Oh, this is so big. This shouldn't be big, you know. Okay, so this should be 50. Okay. You see, so you can adjust it a little bit, maybe. You can adjust a little bit. Yeah. So here you can create a text here, maybe let's say. Okay. Let's go to view here. I think. I don't remember how I did it, but I think I don't remember how I did it, but I think it is okay. I remember. Yeah, this is the text, so you can come here and type maybe loading, something like that. Loading, and then you can change color to any. Okay, after that you can choose any color. Okay, maybe. So maybe let's say, I don't know which color we use. I think this one. So we can call it loading, maybe. Loading. You see, put something like this. So yeah. So you can increase the size a little bit, maybe 4. Also, this is loading, so you can put something like that. So you had. Then you have succeeded to create so here you can just go here and say save, and you can save and everything will be fine, you see. So that's so I'm not going to build it, guys, to create those images because I already created them, so it should be a waste of time. So you can just do the same for other one, PDF reader, and come up with those images. So I'm not going to do it, guys. I just wanted to show you how I build it and see if you can do it for yourself. So what I'm going to do for now, I'm going to close here and don't save. I'm just going to copy this, the one which I already finished, so copy, and then I'm going to paste here in the drawable. You see, so I'm going to paste here, so paste, and then okay. So now we have PDF text and the PNG. So which here PDF text and loading this images we had already. So which is good. So after that, you go to this splash screen background, and then you start coding here. So first of all, we'll have this is a array list, and then we'll have item. We'll create an item here, which will be a shape. This shape inside that will have a we want this background, this splash screen to be its background to be white. See, so here we're trying to create like a our screen to cover up with white, to be white in color the background. So you see now, before that, so this is a splash screen which will have background of white. See, after that, I'll create another item. This item, I'll create an item. Okay, I hope you see it. So I'll create another item. Okay, let me just reduce this a little bit. So I'm going to create another item, which this item will be the image. So in this item will be our bitmap. Then and we'll have this bitmap image. The image will be in form of bitmap. So I'll have source, and it's not the source of that image, which will be a drawable. Remember, we put in drawable. So which will be its PDF text. Remember, right? So we put a PDF text there, and I want it to be at the center. So it should be centered here. And okay, also okay, also I want this to be I want it to be okay. So this will be centered, and also I'll have another item. I'll create another item here. This item will be I want to be okay. So I also want it to be an image. So it will be bitmap. Remember that loading text that will be was at the bottom. So I'll create another bitmap image. This bitmap image will be, as usual, we'll put a source. So here it will not be text again, it will be loading. I think we have this loading text, so we put a loading text here, but you see now it just override the other one, so we need to place it somewhere. So I want it to be at the bottom, but okay, so I want to be at the bottom. Okay, so I'll say grab it instead of being at the center by default, so I'll put it at the bottom. So it will be at the bottom now, you see. So you see both of them now. So also I don't want to be at the bottom. I want also to be bottom, away from bottom. This is like a padding or margin. So I want to be 40 dp from the bottom. So it should be 40 dp from the bottom. You see. Don't worry, when we learn it, you'll see how it appears. So yeah, now it's a little bit confusing, but you'll see how it appears when you learn the application. So yeah, so that's what I wanted. Yeah, that's all about this Splash BG. Yeah, so another thing I forgot, we need to change the color. You see, remember the color that we had in that application, in that demo, the first I mean the first tutorial when I was introducing to you our application. So the colors, even if I show you on this on my phone, if I show you here, okay, so if I run this, I run search for PDF. Okay, this one here, you see this color is not the one we that was in the demo. It was somehow I don't know. Okay, I have this color here, so I already have this color. So I don't know why I put it. Okay, this one. So this is the okay. So I'm going to put it here. I don't know which one is dark and which one is okay. So these are the colors that we're going to use. So yeah, so these are the colors that we're going to use now. So guys, let's go and test it and see how splash screen and how the theme. So this color that I've changed here, they act as a theme of our application, theme color. So we have primary color and dark primary color. So this will be using the primary color. This will be a dark primary color. So if I show you on this, if you go to values and then so in this application, if you go to resources, go to values here, and if you go to themes, you'll find that you see now we have color primary variant, so which act as a dark. So this that's how it is. So if I run now the application, test it and see. So if I want to show you here, so now this is the color, but if I learn now, you will see it will change the theme of application. Okay, so now it's done. So terminate it and then sorry. I don't know. So I'm trying to learn it, guys. I don't know what's happening. I don't know what's happening. I'm learning it, guys. Look at it. So I'm learning it now. See? So you see. Oh, it crashes. Yeah, it crashes, guys. I don't know what's happened. I don't know what happened. So let's check. So even if I try to, this is a PDF read app. So if I run it, it crashes. So let's see what's the problem. Okay, guys. So just by troubleshooting, if this happens to you, the first thing, whenever this happens to me, when I'm developing an Android application, I just go here to logcat and look at the. So if I learn it now, you see that it will that error to be logged. You see, it launched, and the error it says you didn't find class comp this main activities. Oh, okay. Main activity something. So once I cross check here, then I start troubleshooting that what might be the problem. So the first thing that I do, okay, so I think I know what's the problem now. It cannot launch the application, right? Okay. Let's see. Okay, if I go to Android manifest, so this is a problem. Here. You see, this is a problem. See this this lady. It shows lady. So somehow it cannot find this. Okay, so I think it has to do with the namespace. So so if you close splash screen, this is splash screen. So just splash screen again. Maybe I don't know if you have the same. Okay, sorry. So it should remain activity. Sorry. I don't know. Maybe you might not get this error as I'm getting. you might not be facing the same error. You see, maybe yours works fine, I don't know, but for me, yeah, I don't know what I did. Actually, I lost my, just to be honest with you, I lost the project that we did it last time. So I was trying to recover it, and yeah, I messed up with the project, so I think that's maybe might be the problem, but it is fine, it is fine. So this is splash screen. I hope for you, in your case, maybe it may be working fine. Okay, so let's run it again, test it. Maybe it will work. Oh, it works. You know, guys, see guys, so it works. It works. Congratulations to me. Yeah, it works, guys. It works. So this is good. This is good news. So yeah, whenever you have when you develop these Android applications, when you face an error, the first thing you do is you just go to log, as I did. I think you see the way I troubleshoot this problem. So you just see the logs, and then the logs will give you one way or an idea of what might be the problem. You see, so yeah, so this is good, guys. So we succeeded to resolve that. But another problem we have is that we are not seeing the splash screen. You see, we are not seeing the application. If I have to stop this application here and then run it again, we directly see this screen. You see, so which is not good. So so we need, first of all, we need to have a splash screen, and then which should be the first screen to run, not this the main activity screen. You see, so in order to do that, first of all, we are going to change. If you go first of all to this manifest, and then you go to Android manifest. So here, what you'll do is you see this activity tag. So if you go to this splash screen activity, we have only inside that we have this metadata, another descending tag metadata. You see, so yeah, actually we need to put, you see, and if you go to this main activity, you see another, there's this, you see inside that activity, you see the descendant tags, which is we have metadata, but also we had another one which is intent filter. So this one, it instructs the application that this activity should be the first to run. So if you look at here, so in this intent filter, you find that there is this action and there is this category. So this one is just how the application, when you run an application, it just instructs that this activity should be the first one to run. It's a main and also should be the launcher. So instead of this, but for our case, we want the splash screen activity to be the first. So we are going to cut this and put it inside the splash screen. So now we are going to so we need to say this exponential true. So yeah, so because I'm using Android 12, so and above, I think that's what, yeah, target SPI is 31. So yeah, so you need to put this exported to true. Yeah, so now if you run it, the splash screen will be the first to come up. So it will be the first screen to run. You see, so it will not. So this one you see now in this screen. So now it will be the splash screen. So let's run. Let's stop this. So let's run and see what will happen. Terminate. Let's see. Oh, it didn't work. It worked. Do you think it works? Yeah, just try to figure out, is it the same screen or is it a different one? Yeah, just to remind you, remember when we ran the first time before we make these changes, the main activity was to have the label here, which you there was hello world label or text here, which was appearing, but in this one now, it does not appear on this screen because it is a splash screen. Remember, in the splash screen layout, we put empty, there is nothing. So if we put here splash screen, just to remind parent, we will have content, and we can say this is splash screen. So text splash screen. Okay, so now this message will appear. It will appear here, so I know the problem. Yes, so yeah, you need to this one, because we are using this constraint layout, so you need to constrain it. Okay, I just want to show you all the difference. You see now this is a splash screen. So this is a splash, but this is not our aim to do this. We want to see that splash screen that we expected with those images, and you see. So, but for some reason we are not seeing them. So what's why what's the problem? So let's see what might be the problem. Why it's not appearing as we expected. So you see. So this, we were supposed to have those images, and the splash screen to show that this is the splash screen. So we don't need this up bar. We don't need this. We don't need this title. We don't need this up bar or toolbar. So it need to go, and those images we don't see them. We need to see them. What's the problem? Why we did it long? Remember, we created this splash screen BG, but we don't know where we connected this file, XML file, to our screen or activity splash screen activity. So what you do to connect them, you just go here to themes, and then you create a style. You create a style, and you create a style. So create a style. We're going to create another style here. Another style. This one here, which this is style will have this is style actually will have the theme will be theme.appcompat, theme.material. Let me use material theme.appcompat. Let me just use theme.appcompat. Anyway, let me just use that one. This material, then material. Okay. Whatever. I think this is the name, so it should be actually the name. No, this is wrong. So it should be. Did I close it? Let's close it, and then we'll continue. So the name should be splash screen theme. So this is writing from mode parent. So here I can choose whether to use the theme.appcompat, or I should use as material. Just use theme.material. Theme.material. Material components. Material components. Dot day night. Dot no action bar. No action bar. missing. After that, then I need to give it names. So I should give Kara. Okay, Kara. Actually, I need to create an item. Sorry, I need to create an item. So it should be item. Then item should be the name Car Primary. Primary. Car Primary should be Car Primary. Should put a value here. That should be Car. So this should be Car Primary should be this purple. Color, not white, purple. 200. This is Car Primary. 200. Is it 200 or what? Oh, 500. Sorry, 500. This is the color of. Then I'm going to copy and paste it again. So this time, so color. Primary, is dark. Primary dark should be that 700, which is dark. So these are colors that we need, and also I need color accent. Okay, so I don't know if we should put color accent, but there's no need of this carbon and gray. You know, I just put, but there's no need for this. Color accent. Then need color accent. This one color accent actually you have maybe like a pattern or something, so this color will be used for that. So here should be this is the name color accent and should be color then yeah, should Kara and then Kara accent. You know what? I will do the same. This Kara purple of 200 here. No, let me use this 500. Yeah, no problem. So after that, I don't need. Okay, let's create another item. Window title. Title, I think something like window title. Window title should be true. I don't need a title on this screen, and also I don't need another thing. Okay, so here another important thing which will make us to be background. Window background, I think. Window background. Something like that. Is it window background? Sorry. Window background. Yeah, window background. It should be at drawable. Splash PG. This one. This is so we created our splash screen theme. So after that, you go to after creating this theme. You need to go here into the main project manifest, and then you need to attach the theme to that screen activity, to that splash screen activity. So here you need to say style, if I'm not mistaken. Style. The style what? Or theme. Yeah, theme, not style. So here theme at style. And slash this one. You see, then we have attached the splash screen to this one. So now I'm going to learn this application. So now it's like this. So let's check how it will appear when we learn the application. So I'm going to put it here so that you can see the changes. You see, so like this. So I'm going to show you this will be here, and then application should be here. Okay, so I'm going to learn it. So right now, if you learn the application, just this screen appears. You see, learn this application. So now I'm going to learn it and see what will happen. See, let's see. So now it's learning, as you can see here, it's learning. It is learning. Let's see. So okay, then we have succeeded to put the splash screen. So guys, yeah, this is good news. So we have successfully created the splash screen activity, and this screen, that's what we intend to have, so to develop. So we have succeeded to develop this splash screen activity in this tutorial. So I think yeah, this is enough for today. I think this video is getting longer and longer. So guys, please make sure you subscribe my channel, because it will help me to it will motivate me to do more and more amazing videos. So please make sure you subscribe my channel. It's very important, guys. So yeah, just hit the subscribe button down below, and then we are good to go. So hopefully this video was helpful to you. Let me wish you a good time, and cheers.